There are many different designs for main gates that can add to the overall aesthetic of a home's exterior. Some popular options for home decor include 1. Traditional wrought iron gates with intricate patterns and details. 2. Modern metal gates with sleek lines and minimalist design. 3. Wooden gates with carved details or rustic charm. 4. Stone or brick gates with arched entrances and decorative accents. 5. Glass gates with frosted or etched designs for a contemporary look. 6. Combination gates with multiple materials like wood and metal for a unique and personalized touch. 7. Customized gates with personalized designs, monograms, or logos to reflect your style and taste. When selecting a gate design, consider the overall style of your home and choose a design that complements it. You should also keep in mind the functionality of the gate, including security and ease of access, as well as any local regulations or homeowner association guidelines that may impact your design choices.